Yeah, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. So today I have two new G-Shocks. They just came out here in the US. They were released last year around the world, but they just came out here. This is the second video that I'm doing like this, where I'm doing two unboxings at once, simply because they're basically a pair. While they don't come in a set, you can buy them together like I did, obviously, and they go together, in my opinion. So without further ado, I know people really dislike staring at boxes at the beginning of videos, so we're going to get right to it. Two of the Origami G-Shocks, both of them. We got the DW-5600RGM-1 CR and the DW-6900RGM-5 CR. Let's open the 5600 first. You can see the packaging even has the little origami details on it. Now, about 2 years ago, G-Shock released the GA-2100 MNG-7A, which was the manga G-Shock 2100 version. And I believe these are the spiritual successors to that. There was also a blue one and a white one in that 2100. But this, there we go. We got two different ones this time. That looks really cool. I like that a lot. Let's see here. You can see on the strap, the whole thing has got the origami dashes, I guess you would call them, the outline. I like the gray border. Yeah, it's really cool. The dashes going around the LCD is a cool little touch. It's a 5600. Cool origami logo on the back. You got your 3525 module. DW-5600. There we go. It's real nice. Yeah, let's take off this 7900. Put this one on 5600 style. We don't have to go into details what these watches are. Everyone knows what the classic 5600 is. We just want to see what it looks like, right? It looks real cool. Yeah, that's sharp for a square that you could rock at any time. Like basically any square you could wear at any time. I like it a lot. I'm not hard to convince. You understand, when it comes to these G-Shocks, they really they know what I like. Cool design. It's a cool design. So that's the 5600. And now let's get to the 6900. Same box. I forgot to pull out the warranty cards and such. You know, it's just some paperwork. No one cares about that stuff, right? We care about this stuff. That is cool as hell. Origami 6900 in white. Very nice. You know, same basic idea as the 5600, of course, but in the other classic model, the 6900. So now you have a 6900, a 5600, and a 2100, all in kind of unique style like this. Very cool. Oh, I forgot to, didn't even notice that on the 5600. Let's see what the backlight is. There we go. Yeah, even LED backlight looks okay. This is a nice one. I looked forward to this when I first saw it, you know, half a year ago now, when it came out in Japan, I guess. And I missed the manga one. That was about a year before I started collecting G-Shocks, and that's pretty expensive now in the secondhand market. You see a lot of fakes. Word to the wise, you see a lot of fakes of that model on eBay. A lot of people selling fakes of that manga G-Shock. So keep your eyes open. You only want to get real ones, of course. So yeah, this is the DW-6900. And this is the 5600. Together forever. They're going to stay in the collection because these are nice pieces. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Have a good day. Have a good night, wherever you may be. Have a good one. And how you doing?